Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make slime. I made slime a few minutes ago, and this is how it turned out. So, let's get started. So, first you're going to need a container and something to mix it. I'm going to be using this, but you can use anything else you want. So, depends how big you want your slime to be. And I'm going to be using pure baking soda. I think it works best, but you can use any other kind of baking soda if you want. And I'm going to be using this kind of soap. You can use it any kind, but I think this is best, but I don't know. So, okay, first put your this soap then get some baking soda and I'm going to be putting 2, but you can put how much you want, then start stirring, and it's going to be turning out good. And it might get sticky, so you can use this too. So, then add more dish soap. And then put some more baking soda. This time only use 1 spoonful. And more this soap. And then stir. Then you can add more baking soda to it and stir. And you can add food coloring if you like, but I'm not going to have it put some because I don't have any. But I think this is a good color because the soap is orange, so it's going to be turning out like this for me. And there you go, you have slime. Just keep on mixing till you see it dissolves and gets a nice slimy. And that's all for now. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Bye.